anybody want to try any of these, you can hang out and me and the team will work through a few of them with you. The rest of you, digest what we've gone over today. I do want to emphasize the key points. Number one, you live your life through your nerve system. You live your entire life through your nerve system. Everything you think, do, say, feel, everything is a response to the information your body's able to perceive from its environment and how you process it here and how it manifests subconsciously, physiologically in your body. Those signals then feed out into your environment and will cause other beings to interact with you in specific ways. And if you're processing well, you'll probably get good feedback. If you're not processing so well, you're going to get cruddy feedback. And for those of us with teenage daughters, this is a danger sign, because what they do is they start looking for people who accept them as they are. And that is like, that's a recipe for disaster, right? We want to be around people who see us as we could be, not accept us as we are. Because we should all be growing dynamically, amen? We manifest that primarily, if we look at all the data input, proprioception plays a significant role on consciousness, attitude, oxygenation, digestion, organ function, and genetic expression. That's where the puck is going in science. It's just a hard message to sell on TV because it doesn't sell hundreds of billions of dollars of drugs, and it doesn't make the CEO of some insurance company or some hospital filthy freaking rich. And I meant that one. Okay? So please encourage your friends to join you on this mission. As the next few days go by, you want to set some one-on-one time up. I was joking, we're not going to charge you $50. But we're going to have to, you can't be right in the middle of flow. Okay, so when I'm adjusting, don't come back and go, hey man, you got a minute? Can I get, it's like, I'll tell you what, I'm going to go adjust the next room. You go out in the lobby and ask them if I can have 15 minutes with you. You go ask them first so my staff doesn't have to, all right? So let's just see, because you know me, you stop me. I mean, I'm just like, yeah, sure. Because when I'm in the room with you, you're all that exists to me. I don't even know anybody else is here. So I'm like, yeah, sure, what do you need? You know, so the staff and I are trying to fix that for me. But we do want to give you the time. So we just need to schedule. Any other questions or comments? You guys rock! Live life in full expression.